I have a Subaru Forester here. This one took a good smack in the front. It's getting a new radiator support. Just these top pieces mainly. It took the hit up high, and then it gets a side piece right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this one apart. So since this lower tie bar isn't damaged, and I'm just putting this top section in, there's 3 welds right here and 3 here. I'm going to drill those out, and then I'll re-plug weld those whenever I put it on. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna bolt this bracket on because it gives me a guide. It has a bolt hole to this piece. Make sure I have that sitting where I want it, so I'm gonna bolt this down. Now I'm going to make some comparative measurements. I'm checking the length right here to make sure it's even side to side. And then to make sure that it's square, I'm gonna do an X. Just about dead perfect. We're looking good. Now I'm going to hold this fender up because I want to make sure this bracket is sitting right where I want it. Looks like it's lining up. Perfect. That's what we want. Alright, this one is ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and start welding this guy in.